Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another nail submission video where nail technicians send in their work to be reviewed, reacted to, and also I give constructive criticism so they can build and work on their craft. I'm also going to be showing you guys some products that I've been sent. I've been working with a lot of brands lately. This video today is also sponsored by Born Pretty Official. They recently sent me some products again for me to review, and I'm going to be inserting some clips for you guys throughout this video. But for the main event, nail submissions, the most important reason why we're here. So let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so for this episode, I am going to be critiquing an entire Instagram page. She gave me her Instagram and told me just to take a look at it. And so we're gonna spend some time looking at her entire Instagram so you guys can check it out with me. But first, I am going to read the email that she sent me. First off, I want to say I am so sorry if I butcher your name. My name is always butchered too, it's Anasha. So please bear with me, please, I'm trying, so we understand. So she says, hi, my name is Asentea. I'm so sorry, hun, I really am, like, please tell me how to pronounce your name. But anyway, she says, and I love that you are doing these reaction critique videos. Your work is outstanding. I've never seen anyone do nails the way you do. I'd love it if you could take a look at my work, FT.ATPNAILZ on Instagram. I'll put it right here. I am a beginner nail tech of about 4 months using a practice hand, hoping to go to nail school this summer. I recently just started practicing on friends' hands. It takes me literally 4 to 5 hours on a client. I'm hoping you can give me any tips on saving time during this process, along with any other critique on nails, ATPNAILZ on Instagram. Okay guys, so let's take a look at her Instagram. Okay, so I found her Instagram. I found her Instagram, of course, because she sent it to me. Looking at her Instagram, oh my God, you're so pretty. Okay, her nickname's T. Okay, I'm so sorry for butchering your name, T. But let's get to the nails. Okay, ooh, we got the Christian Dior joints. Let me zoom up in these. Ooh, girl, cuticles on point. Butterflies, I love the decals, really pretty. Nice hand placements. You are modeling these nail, girl. Ooh, shots. Okay, with the first video on your page, like angles, bam, bam, bam. Yes, giving work. I love it. Sorry, I'm extra. Okay, I really like that. Okay, let's go into the next one. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. I love these colors, and you have the foil and it's smooth. I really like this. This client's nails, I can already tell, were very difficult for you to work with. I'm already looking at like her nail bed, like on the pointer finger here. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys. Like, yeah, like I probably would have had difficulties as well with that. So I'm gonna give you props for that because I am looking at her nail beds and they are very short and you don't really have much to work with. But you did your thing on it. Okay, I like that. Ooh, we got the swirl. Simple, clean, cute. Beautiful. Okay, that was just 3 pictures. 3 pictures and beautiful work. Okay, so that's what you're doing now. This is what you're doing now. Okay, so we got some browns with some stones. If you want to work, I say this a lot in my other videos, if you guys want to work on like stone designs and stuff, look up like on Google or like on Pinterest and stuff, look up like stone placements, or stone designs and things like that. If you want to work on that, like these are still pretty, but if you went in with small, big, or small, and then got bigger gradually, like it just makes it a little like aesthetically prettier. But I mean, it's still pretty, but I'm just saying if you want to work on like making more designs and stuff, but this is really pretty. I'm going to try out a couple of these colors here and show you guys what they look like. They did send me 6 different colors, so I'm going to insert clips for you guys and show you what they look like on my nails. I like the marble. I like the chocolate marble. Ooh. Yes, yes. The abstract. Ooh, is that a body? Body, yaddy, yaddy, yaddy. Okay, I think that's a body. I like this. It's hearts. These are cute. I like these. That looks like the red iguana. I think I have that too. That's really cute. Ooh, we've got some oval. Oh, no. These are almond. These are almond. Baby girl, oh my God. You're really good. You're really good. You're really good. So yeah, you're good. I don't have anything to really say from these videos that I'm looking at. Like, this is really good. If I want to be harsh, let's say your cuticles look, it's a little too close if I want to be like extreme with it, but honestly, like, they look really good. They look really good. So you did a really, really good job. Ooh, since you gave me your page, I'm gonna look at your press-on nails. Let's look at her press-on nails, guys. Let's look at her artwork. Okay. Ooh, okay. I like the hearts. Okay, hon. Ooh. So like I was saying with your rhinestones. So this is what you could do. This is what you could do for your rhinestones. Like, that Dior was pretty, but if you had like some small ones in between, or like did a design with the lettering, give it some texture. That's the word of the month. But anyways, give it some texture. It would tie it together. It would be so nice, so nice. But this is really, really nice. I really like your work. You did a good job, hon. You're really good. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you would like to send in your work for me to review and react to and be featured here on my YouTube channel, you can do so. Just click on the description box and see how you can send in your work. You could also submit anonymously. I will keep your name a secret and still give you the honest opinion, react, and review as I do the other nail technicians here on this channel. Make sure you give this video a like, share it, and I'll see you guys next time.